We have 7 of these tiny magnets on here. That's my forklift there. So this is their steel. The steel is 3/16 of an inch thick. The magnet is about 5/8 of an inch thick. Let's measure it and see. We have 1, 2, 3, a big gap where it looks like there should be another one, but there isn't one. 4, 5, 6, 7. So somebody ripped somebody off there with a magnet. Thickness here. Okay. .72. So it must be a metric measurement. It's not 3/4. It's less than 3/4. 0.72 thick. A little less than 2.5 wide. And 3 1/4. 3 1/4 long. The steel, it's probably metric also. Let's see, the steel thickness. About 0.25, so 1/4 inch thick steel.